If you are a job holder and need a second income, or a housewife, or you want to do for yourself without investment or a very less investment, then this video is for you. I am talking about blogging, and please watch this video completely so that you can know everything, means A to Z about blogging. This is blogging course chapter 1, and I promise after finishing this course you will be ready to take on blogging. Hey everyone, welcome to the True HR, and I am Subrat Kumar, and let's start our today's video. If you are happy in writing, then blogging will give you happiness along with a handsome money. I mean, you can earn huge money. I think bloggers are earning more money than a YouTuber. I know it's a secret. What do you think? Give your comment below. Today we are kicking off a brand new course of blogging, course chapter 1 on how to blog and make money online. In this first chapter, we will cover 5 elements. Remember, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements, things you can need to get started. So here is the number 1, that is selecting the right niche. Your niche is your area of expertise or focus. It could be anything you are passionate about, like fitness, cooking related, or something related. It's your like and dislike, select your niche according to you, not according to others. And yes, in coming videos I will help you on this to select the right one for you. But my dear, always remember, select a good niche, choose right and sit tight in blogging. So after 1, this is number 2, that is selecting the right language or target country. Who are you trying to reach? If you are comfortable in English and confident in your reach, you can target a global audience because English is a global language. But there is also a huge market for blogs in specific languages. Consider your target audience's location and the language they speak. Again, it's your preference, and choose in which you will be suitable for. This is the number 3, that is choosing a website builder, WordPress or Blogger. There are many website builders out there, but 2 of the most popular are, one is WordPress and another is the Blogger. WordPress offers more flexibility and customizations because WordPress is very famous, while Blogger is a simpler platform. If you are new to blogging, Blogger is a great place to start. But if you want more control over your website's design and functionality, WordPress is the way to go. After this, number 4, that is blog customization, theme and design. First impressions matter, as we say always. First impression goes to the last impression. You also make your good impression for us. I mean, I'm working hard for you, so you need to subscribe this channel so that I will be motivated, to make more videos like this for you. So please do subscribe and like this video. Okay, now come to our topic. Blog theme and design should be visually appealing and reflect your niche. Most website builders offer a variety of themes to choose from. Keep your design clean and easy to navigate and mobile friendly. Well, we will discuss more about it in our future upcoming videos, and also provide you some premium themes absolutely free. Yes, you hear the right thing, absolutely free for our viewers, for you. So stay tuned with me. So next and finally is writing quality content. This is where the magic happens. Magic happens once you set up your website. It's time to start creating high quality content that will attract and engage your audience. Focus on writing informative, well researched articles that provide value to your readers. So these are some important factors we must consider before starting our blog. If you still need to to understand, then watch it again. And I promise, if you are with me, then together we will rock in this blogging journey, and I will help you out totally. The True HR is always there for you. This is it for chapter 1. In the next chapter, we will delve deeper into content creation strategies and how to optimize your blog for search engines. So stay tuned. If you are interested in learning more about the blogging and how to make money online, leave a comment below and let me know what other topics you would like me to cover in this course. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the True HR channel for more helpful content like this. So this is the end of today's session, and we will meet on next video. So bye bye, and yes, happy writing.